looks like 2405431, and it's definitely been stenciled multiple times because there's overlapping stuff here. Smaller armies, large army. How did it come from the factory? Very cool. There's actually well, on the other side you can notice there's probably 2 twos, so it's been stenciled over a couple of times, and it's in black. That's my other question. Okay, were they stenciled in black originally, or do I have to go actually deeper than this and find white? Let me know. Okay, the other side is not as revealing. However, I did confirm that is a 4 and a 2. All right. 240531. Oh, wait a second. Let's go back. Three. 4-1. What? 431 should be a hide number. All right, we're on the driver's side. Obviously matching numbers, but you can have the larger numbers here and then a smaller set there. Yep, you can tell that was a 3 at one point in time. U.S. Army, same way. And it's acting like it almost had stickers on there, and then this is a residue, because unless they painted all this stuff black and did not use white lettering back in the day, or am I not deep enough? I may need to keep going. So this is exciting stuff right here. As you uncover these original numbers, we might be able to track what unit it was assigned to, where it was in the world. 2405431 is the hood number, U.S. Army across the top, and yeah, some of these stencils don't make any sense, because like you can see Army and then there's an S at the armies. Obviously multiple layers. So yeah, you can see where Army was, and then there's an S at the end. That doesn't make any sense, right? Here's where it used to be smaller. Interesting thing here, where the 4 is, we've got another color back here, a darker, kind of a green looking color. 2 looks like it was double layered over time. There's another set of numbers coming through underneath that layer. So, you know, is the factory numbers under all this? Do I need to go deeper? Now that I've identified this number, I can take it down further, but would like to listen to the experts. You guys tell me what you think.